Welcome to the American Dream TV Palos Verdes. I'm Gayle with Remax Estate Properties. Welcome to the South Coast Botanic Garden. It's a fabulous place. Come on, let's take a look. I want to welcome to the show Stephanie Marino. She is the Marketing Director and Head of Communications here. And Stephanie's going to tell us a little bit about the gardens and the history and programs that they have.
Yeah,
welcome.
Of course, thank you for having me.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so as you were mentioning, the garden, South Coast Botanic Garden is one of the first botanic gardens to be built on a sanitary landfill, created in 1961. So we celebrated our 60th anniversary a few years ago, which was a pretty big milestone.
Wow.
And ever since we opened our gates 60 years ago, we've just been constantly changing and constantly evolving. You know, right now we have Nature Pop. It's Sean Kenny's Nature Pop, produced by Imagine Exhibitions. We have more than 40 sculptures made from Lego bricks scattered throughout the garden. So that's an exhibit that we'll be running through January 24th of 2023. We're really excited to have that exhibit.
Yeah.
We have some really great exhibits coming up in the spring and summer. One that I can speak of is Washed Ashore. So we don't have everything out about it yet, but just tease to make sure you keep checking back to learn more about that. It should be opening April 1st though.
Okay.
So our goal here really is to be a garden for all. That is our mission. We want everyone and anyone to feel welcome coming to the garden and exploring and learning about nature in a whole new way. And so we do these regular exhibitions to kind of encourage people to come see nature in a whole new way and maybe come here when they wouldn't have ever thought to come here before. And then hopefully they get here and they start learning about the sanitary landfill. You know, our horticulturists do a fantastic job with the plantings and stuff, so hopefully they're learning about plants and, you know, drought tolerant plants and all of that. We also have Dottie's. So Dottie's is our new refreshment station that we have opened. It's open on the weekends. You can grab a bite to eat, grab a hot coffee, hot cocoa, and enjoy your time in the garden.
Wow. So how many, I've been to funerals here, weddings here, different exhibits, so you have different locations for those things too, right?
There are various areas of the garden that are rentable. So we're in one of them. You can rent Dottie's if you want to do a birthday party or if you want to do a bridal shower here.
What a great idea.
You can rent this area. We have our lawns and our meadows that are also available for rent. A lot of weddings take place there. We have our bespoke picnic program. If you want a picnic in a box and you don't want to have to bring out your picnic basket, we'll set it up all for you. You can come and you can pick from different themes, and we decorate. A special events team does a wonderful job decorating, and then you can kind of bring people in and have a little picnic. It's definitely an oasis.
Okay. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks. I want you to read this sign. It says, "What lies beneath? Do you know that you're standing on top of decades of trash and mining? This all was a garbage landfill, and before that, it was an open pit mine." So look what they've created from junk. The plants, the trees. I find it fascinating. I love stuff like this. Thanks for coming today and taking this great visit of the Botanic Gardens. I hope you all enjoy it. I'll see you next time.